here's some goats, but that's not why I'm even filming. Look at the size of this avocado. You don't get that in the UK roadside, do you? Coconut water. Tika haggling there.
Yes, it is. We're harvesting our first sweet pepper.
Welcome to the
Welcome to our garden. With one plant.
my very first sweet pepper. Come now, you have to come around this way. Hold on. I'm Karen Jones, and this is Katie Dickinson. And these are those struggler people over there. Oh my gosh, all right, first let us have a look at this sweet. Oh, you just pick it?
Me no know.
Oh.
You just pick it up?
Well, you say yes for like you. All right, people. And should we cut it or pick it?
No, no.
Jesus, please.
Pull it.
All right. Oh, fuck.
No,
oh, sorry,
fine.
sorry, people.
Ooh, your pure language.
Beep. So this is the pepper.
Nice.
And we are going to have it for breakfast.
Woo!
So guys, this is my Sunday dinner, guys. Curry turkey leg.
Yeah, man. Me can't sell seafood and I make my grandmother eat seafood. No. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, G. Yeah, man. See your fork, yeah? See your fork, yeah?
I mean, I'm going to call the family and see if they can.
Team out. Jesus Christ. Yeah, man. It's a lifestyle moment. God, oh, it is. Oh, it is. Good, me no know, man. G.
Guess what? I don't think I'm gonna experience it.
Can't go down there.
Guess what? I don't want to same place they go. Look,
Man, man, me say go down there before you come talk to me.
if they go to Jamaica, I'm gonna go Trinidad and Tobago.
Thank you.
Nobody cares about Jamaica, bro.
Come and talk. Hey, man, come do some. Everyone, I'm telling you.
Yo, pepper pot taste better than oxtail, bro. Pepper pot taste better than oxtail, bro.
You see this, oh God, you see pear and cup soup, it's so nice. Nobody even understand. God.